Yeah, we back. How's it going? XRT Traxxas meets Ninebot Go-Kart Pro. My son's behind the wheel. I'm behind the wheel of the XRT. Whoa, this is epic. I don't think you've seen this on YouTube yet. We bring it to you live. 12-door Dash F here. Hey, YouTube. Hey, all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Like this, have a comment. Content. We here, baby. We in the building. We on the track, We about to race. The two right here about to race. Stay tuned. We're going to go, I don't know, about less than 100 yards and see what's going on. This is going to be epic. Enjoy the race. Here we go. We're going to back up and get lined up. Stay out of the water. Start there. Red arrow.
So when I pass the camera, stop.
When you pass that line, you can stop, or the camera, doesn't matter. All right, guys, we got them lined up. Max is in lane 2. XRT Traxxas is in lane 5. Here we go. All right? We'll count down from 3. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, come back in front of the camera, let them see you. Go ahead and whip it around right beside. Park it out. There we go. Hey, we back. Who you think won? Leave in the comments who you think won the race. XRT Traxxas on 6S or the Ninebot Go-Kart Pro. Who won? That was awesome, right? Until next time, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll catch y'all.